How to turn on dark mode on CTPool crypto mining. Are you guys facing issue to turn on dark mode on CTPool crypto mining application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To turn on dark mode on CTPool crypto mining application, first of all, open the app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. If you don't know how to create an account, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open the app now, just simply look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this option for profile icon. Just simply tap on profile icon. After click on profile icon, you can see multiple options available over here. Just simply tap on this dark theme over here and toggle it on. Once you toggle it on, your dark theme will be enabled on your application. That's it, guys. That's how you're going to turn on dark mode on crypto mining application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.